We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased perspective on the TheraICE Migraine Relief Cap Pro. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel. The TheraICE Migraine Relief Cap Pro stands out as a specialized solution for individuals seeking relief from migraines, tension headaches, stress, and even hangover symptoms. Engineered with proprietary focus zones technology, this cap is designed to deliver targeted therapy to the temples and occipital regions, precisely where migraine sufferers often experience the most intense pain. The technology is patent pending, reflecting a commitment to innovation in pain management and comfort. One of the defining features of the TheraICE cap is its enhanced gel thickness. This improvement provides a dual benefit. The gel offers prolonged, intense cold therapy, while also mimicking the gentle, steady pressure of a therapeutic massage. The sensation is intended to alleviate tension and stress, providing a sense of relief that many users describe as both soothing and restorative. The cap's cooling effect is long-lasting thanks to the thicker gel composition, granting users a deeper and more sustained experience of cold therapy compared to traditional ice packs or compresses. The cap's design is as much about aesthetics as it is about function. The high-tech Pro design features a sleek, modern outer shell that not only feels premium, but also looks sophisticated. This attention to form ensures that users do not have to compromise on style while seeking relief. The cap is reusable, flexible, and adjustable, accommodating a wide range of head sizes comfortably. Its versatility means it can be used for various conditions, including headaches, migraines, tension, and hangover recovery, making it a multi-purpose addition to any wellness toolkit. In terms of technical specifications, the TheraICE cap measures approximately 10.63 by 7.36 by 0.94 inches and weighs about 1.46 pounds. Manufactured by TheraICE RX and first available in late 2023, it quickly gained popularity, ranking highly in the health and household category and achieving the number 2 spot in cold packs. With over 40,000 customer ratings averaging 4.6 out of 5 stars, the cap has established itself as a trusted solution among those seeking non-pharmaceutical headache relief. Users consistently praise the comprehensive head coverage provided by the cap. It envelops the entire head, including the forehead, eyes, temples, and even the neck, ensuring that relief is delivered precisely where it is needed. This full coverage approach is particularly valued by migraine sufferers, who often experience pain in multiple regions of the head. The cooling gel inside the cap is described as both refreshing and effective, offering a long-lasting cold therapy experience without the inconvenience or messiness of traditional ice packs. The hands-free design is another significant advantage, allowing users to move about, work, or relax without having to hold an ice pack in place. Comfort is a recurring theme in user feedback. The cap is constructed from soft, stretchable materials that fit snugly yet gently on most head sizes. Adjustable straps ensure a secure fit, preventing the cap from slipping during use. Many users highlight the cap's ability to block out light, which can be particularly beneficial during a migraine episode when sensitivity to light is common. The darkness provided by the cap, combined with its cooling effect, creates an environment conducive to rest and recovery. The TheraICE cap is also frequently mentioned as a thoughtful gift. Its utility extends beyond migraine sufferers to anyone who experiences stress or tension headaches, making it a practical and considerate present for friends and family members. The product's sleek design and effective performance contribute to its appeal as a gift item. Despite its many strengths, the TheraICE cap is not without drawbacks. The initial sensation of cold can be intense, especially for those sensitive to low temperatures. Some users recommend easing into use or applying the cap for shorter periods until acclimated to the cold. The cap is designed for quick relief rather than prolonged wear. It is not intended to be worn for hours at a time. This limitation may be a consideration for individuals seeking continuous relief over extended periods. Fit is another area where user experiences vary. While the cap is adjustable, it may not provide a perfect fit for everyone. Those with particularly small or large heads may find the cap either too tight or too loose. Proper storage is essential to maintain the cap's cooling effectiveness. The cap should be kept in a sealed bag when placed in the freezer or refrigerator to prevent it from absorbing odors. Failure to do so can result in unpleasant smells that are difficult to remove, as the cap is not designed to be fully washed or submerged in water. Spot cleaning is recommended, but even with careful maintenance, some users have reported challenges with lingering odors after exposure to freezer smells. Durability and washability are additional points of feedback. While the cap is well constructed and the materials feel premium, the inability to fully wash the cap may be a concern for those who anticipate frequent use. Over time, oils, makeup, and other residues can accumulate, and spot cleaning may not be sufficient for everyone's hygiene preferences. Some users have attempted to wash the cap more thoroughly, but this can compromise the fabric's tightness and the integrity of the gel filling, leading to a less effective product. Performance-wise, the TheraICE cap delivers on its promise of providing cooling relief and gentle pressure. Many users report that while the cap does not eliminate migraines entirely, it offers enough comfort to allow them to rest while waiting for medication to take effect. This period waiting for medication to relieve the worst of the pain can be particularly uncomfortable, and the cap's cooling effect helps bridge that gap. The full cooling effect typically lasts around 30 minutes, after which some users choose to switch to a second cap if extended relief is needed. The cap's flexibility and comfort make it suitable for shared use among family members, with some users noting that both they and their teenagers find it effective and comfortable. The cap's ability to block out light and provide a sense of darkness is another frequently cited benefit. For those who experience photophobia during migraines, this feature is especially valuable. The cap's snug fit and soft materials contribute to a soothing experience, and some users report improved sleep quality when using the cap during headache episodes. There are, however, users who report limited effectiveness in terms of actual headache relief. While the cooling and pressure are appreciated, some individuals do not experience a significant reduction in headache severity. For these users, the cap serves more as a comfort aid than a direct remedy. This variability in effectiveness underscores the importance of individual differences in migraine and headache experiences. The cap's construction is generally praised for its quality, with the materials feeling durable and well-made. The outer shell is smooth and sleek, and the gel filling provides a comfortable, slightly snug sensation around the head. Even at room temperature, the cap feels cool to the touch, which some users find enjoyable. The cap is also effective at blocking out light, contributing to an environment conducive to relaxation and recovery. Proper care and maintenance are crucial to preserving the cap's effectiveness and longevity. The manufacturer advises storing the cap in a sealed bag when freezing or refrigerating to prevent odor absorption. The cap should only be spot cleaned, as submerging or machine washing can damage the fabric and gel filling. Users who have attempted to wash the cap more thoroughly often report diminished performance, with the fabric losing its tightness and the gel becoming lumpy. These issues can render the cap less effective or even unusable. In summary, the TheraICE Migraine Relief Cap Pro is a thoughtfully designed product that addresses the needs of migraine and headache sufferers through targeted cooling therapy and gentle pressure. Its strengths lie in its comprehensive head coverage, long-lasting cooling effect, hands-free design, and comfortable fit. The cap's sleek appearance and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of users, and it is frequently recommended as a practical and thoughtful gift. However, potential buyers should be aware of the cap's limitations, including the intensity of the initial cold sensation, the need for proper storage, challenges with cleaning, and variability in fit and effectiveness. For those seeking a non-pharmaceutical option for headache and migraine relief, the TheraICE cap offers a compelling solution that combines comfort, convenience, and innovative technology. If you have experience with the TheraICE Migraine Relief Cap Pro, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide in-depth, unbiased reviews.